Hi, in the previous lecture, we've added some new template filters to our home. We've solved some issues, and in this lecture, we will continue solving some issues in our front end and on our back end. We will add some new packages for treating with some models. So first of all, let's make sure our server is running, and let's start by adding a new way for fixing this form. So first, I'm gonna say Django Bootstrap 4. This is a Django package that enables us to treat with forms. So here, let's open the GitHub repository for this package. Let's move down. First of all, we need to install the package using this command. So in here, let's clear our screen. Let's write this. Yeah. And now we've added the package. So then we need to add Bootstrap 4 to our installed apps like this. So here, let's open our code. Let's open settings, project settings. So in here, let's add our package like this. Now we've installed it, we've added to our installed apps, so now we can use it easily. So first, we need to load this Bootstrap tag. So let's open our contact page, and let's open also our post detail page, which contains our comment form. So first we need to load this Bootstrap form. Then for our form we need to load it use like this. So let's do this. Let's move down. Here in our post list, let's go to our comment form. Leave a comment. This is our form. So here I'm gonna remove this with the button also. Then I'm gonna add this. And here I'm gonna say leave a comment like this. And for our contact form, I'm gonna move down. And this is our form, so I'm gonna remove this. And here I'm gonna say send message. And now let's refresh our page. We will see we've got an error. Parameter form should contain the valid Django form. Yeah, so this is for post detail. So let's take a look at our post detail. Here we retrieve the form with name of comment form. So here we need to give it a comment form, not form. So here let's refresh, and we've got a new way to add a new comment. It's a good looking form so that you can add a new comment and so on, and you can reset it from here to this. Okay, so let's open our contact form. We've got an error, syntax error. We forgot to load Bootstrap 4 like this tag. So let's do this. Let's refresh our page, and here we are. This is our form. The subject, the from email, the message, and send image, send message. This is awesome. Now we've treated with Django Bootstrap 4, and we've learned how can we add it to our Django project and so on. So now let's open the admin and let's add a new mail. And now we need to add this description in a very stylish way. We need to enable the user or the admin to format the text in this description field. So here I'm going to use another Django package, and I'm going to use summer note. There are many packages for treating with Django in this purpose. It's a text editor, but actually summer note is one of the best packages for doing this. So let's move down. It will look like this. So first we need to install summer note as we did with Bootstrap 4. So here let's clear and let's install summer note. Then we need to add summer note to our installed apps. So let's see this. The package already installed. So let's run our server. Let's go to the settings and let's add summer note, Django summer note. Okay. So now we've added summer note. We need to add a URL to summer note. Some packages, some Django packages require you to add URL or to migrate. So let's take this because we are using Django too. And let's open our main URL and let's add this. Let's add it at the top. Yeah, like this. Okay. And here our media files and so on, we did already configure this. We need to migrate, and if we take a look at our server, we can see you have to an applied migration for Django Summer Node. So we need to migrate so that we can apply those migrations. So let's run based on the manage build migrate, yeah. And here let's run the server again. Now if we need to use this in our admin side, we need to add it like this. So we will do this, but first let's make sure our server is running, and let's open our admin again. So let's move to home, and we will see a new thing, Django Summer Node attachments. This is because Summer Node enable you to upload files, image, and so on. So this files will be in this attachments. Okay, so let's continue. First, if we need to add this in our admin, we need to do it like this. So let's close all of this, and we need to add it for our meals. So I'm gonna open our meals app, and I'll open admin.py. So first I'm gonna import the Django Summer Node, yeah, and here I'm gonna add this class. First, we're trying to add this Summer Node to our meals, so I'm gonna say meals admin, and this will inherit from Summer Node model admin, and will also, so let's leave it like this right now, and we need to add this meals admin to our meals so that Django will apply those new operates in our meals model. So let's save this, and now let's refresh our page. Everything is working fine. Let's open meals, or let's add a new meal, and here we are. We have new text error, and now we can type this is a new meal like this, and let's make it bold, and let's make it bigger, and let's give it a color like this, and let's do whatever you need with this text. We can also add an image like this image, or whatever image you need like this. You can resize this like this, and so on. You can do more with this Summer Node. It's very awesome, and you can also apply it in only one field. You can also add it in your forms. There's many themes for this Summer Node. You can apply them for Django Bootstrap 3, 4, and so on. And this is also an option so that you can apply some configuration to your Summer Node and Django admin, and in the forms also. You will add this in your settings.py and so on. So now we've added this Django Summer Node to our meals. So we need to add this in our blog. So if I need to add a post, I need to see this Summer Node in here. So we will do the same with our blog admin.py, and let's add this class, and let's get this import, and here I'm gonna say this is post, and I'm gonna add this post admin after the post here. So now let's refresh our page, and here we are. We have a text editor for adding content and so on. Okay, this is awesome. Now we have a text editor to add information and so on in our posts and in our meals. Okay, we need to start customizing our admin a little bit so that we can see, if we take a look at our boss, we can see some information about it, or if we open our meals, we can see some information about it, and also to learn how can we customize our admin a little bit. And we will do this in the next lecture.